What if I told you a bird almost started World War III? In 1960, during the Cold War, U.S. radars detected an unexpected Soviet missile attack. Panic spread. Was this the start of nuclear war? Military leaders prepared to retaliate until they realized the missile was actually caused by a bird that flew into the radar system, triggering a false alarm. If cooler heads hadn't prevailed, this tiny mistake could have wiped out millions. Ever heard of this near disaster? Let me know and subscribe for more crazy history.